Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable sharing of the videos using Clipchamp. If you want to share the videos using Clipchamp without any savings, this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one video that you want to edit. Now the video is on the timeline track. Now edit the video however you want to edit it. You can add the audio, text, overlays and also captions to make your video pop out. After editing your video, here you can find the option of share button. Simply tap on it. Now choose one video quality that you want to add. After a few seconds, the app will take you here. Now you can see a lot of sharing apps that you can share your video to. Now choose one app that you want to share your video. After choosing the app, here you can find a lot of platforms to share the video. And you can also do it on the other apps like this. And that's it. This is how you can enable sharing the videos using Clipchamp. It is an easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.